this is how we charge for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see I have a box in front of me. I have a budget titanium glass, reading glass for your eyes. You can ask for the power also. You have to talk with them and they can send you power version. This is budget, only $5. I paid for the box $4. You can see the box here. Lovely, very elegant, no branding, nothing. Let me take this off here. The budget looking titanium glass, beautiful this glass. See, they send me a cotton as well together. And look at this glass, my god, it look beautiful. I paid almost nothing. You see, this is titanium. The material very slim, very light, 8 grams I think the glass is. Very comfortable. I don't feel anything when I put this on, almost nothing. You see, you can move many direction you want. Doesn't break, very high quality. Look at the glass. The different color of shade on this. Look at this, guys, how beautiful it's connected. It's not connected with any screw, although it's connected with some knob or plastic. They send you extra. I have few extra. The perfection. Cheaper one but very elegant quality. If I have checked in Amazon, they are 30, 40, even the original one, some German brand. They have the original one, they're selling 400 euros in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.